how do you feel about US-based band SOJA winning the Reggae Grammy?
My perspective on it is that Spice per se, like she's a really good artist. Her versatility is far different. It's more wide range. It speaks to a variety of audience. So I think she should have won over the Soldier Group if that's what their name is. Well, basically, my perspective on that is that she should have won in terms of her versatility and how she approaches her songs and the wide variety of audience that it relates to on a general basis and on a daily basis as well.
It is a slap in our face, firstly, because reggae is our culture, and I feel like the government needs to do something more to enhance, broadcast, market our culture, so things like that won't happen because by right, Aspire should I get it.
All right. Personally, I feel as if though credit is not being given where it's supposed to be given. I feel as if though as a people like Jamaica, we aren't necessarily putting the effort in that needs to be put into the whole thing to actually get credit for our music, because reggae is definitely a Jamaican thing. It kind of reminds me of colonization, where Christopher Columbus came in and took over and said this is his when it really isn't, and I don't like that at all. I saw a comment or a post rather that says that we as a people we're not taking the steps that we need to take to actually claim what is rightfully ours.
Yeah, well, say, we don't know that group, the brother. Not you know one of them song, brother. I mean, I tell you, say, if there's a black group, they want to get the Grammy, but I try white, I try a white group.
I'm thinking it's about the persons that voted for them. It's all about votes, right? So it's who voted for them, and the persons voted for the white group more. I feel bad that we didn't get it, yes. I feel bad that a black person didn't even get it. But it's people's choices, right? Yeah.
Just, we feel disappointed still because no Jamaican really get it. You see it? Yeah, man.